Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm gonna talk about all my favorite perfumes. So when it comes to perfumes, I'm a very picky person. I don't like a lot of fragrance and I don't have a lot of perfumes in my collection, but let's just say whatever I have, I really like them. I have some signature perfumes for particular events. Like I have one gym perfume which I've been wearing for gym or for workouts for almost like 2 years now. And when it comes to night perfumes, I only like two. So yeah, I basically have different kind of fragrance for different kind of occasions, and I'm gonna show you all whichever I like and what I like about them and where I wear them. So without waiting, let's just go. Okay, so first is let's start with the mist. So I keep on changing my body washes, but whichever body wash I'm using, I keep my mist same, and basically it goes with all the body washes that I use. If you don't know, body mist are basically more water and less fragrance amount. They're basically lighter than perfume. They don't last that much. So the mist that I'm talking about is by Bath and Body Works. It's the Champagne Toast. So no matter what body wash I'm using, no matter what body lotion I'm using or body oil I'm using, I only use this mist. This basically pairs with everything. It's on a sweeter note. How should I explain this? It's basically fruity and sweet. That's just it, nothing else. So now that my bath mist has been done, there's one more mist, not that light as the Bath and Body Works, but it's still pretty light. It's a mist and perfume in middle of these two. So I'm talking about the Body Shop Vibrant Bergamot perfume. So this perfume also I've been using like for 2 years now. I actually wear this to work because at work I don't like something which is very strong. I like something which is there but not in your face. So if you don't know this about me, I'm a big Lily fan. Like if you have seen my room tour video, I've explained how big of a fan I am of lilies. So this basically has magnolia, lily and valley of notes to lift your spirits. This is basically just a fresh flower perfume. This also doesn't last that long, but it still lasts about 2 to 3 hours. And if I'm pairing it with a good moisturizer, these two were basically my everyday. And if I'm at work and I have to layer my perfumes up, if I'm working for very long hours and I want to put something to just refresh myself, then I use these minis by Plum. They're quite small. I really like them. I use which is Hawaiian Rumba and Tulips Don't Lie. Again, these two are just floral and ocean scented. Like the Tulips Don't Lie is a flowery scent, and Hawaiian Rumba is basically fresh, oceany sort of a thing. So yeah, I always buy these in mini sizes, though they come in a big sizes, but it's easier to carry and I only use them when I'm on the go. So I always buy them in mini sizes. Next are my perfumes which I use in usually daytime, but I use them when there's a special occasion or when I'm going out for something special, like not in a daily use. So first is Love Star by Victoria's Secret. So this is basically really special. This is my second one, by the way. Why is this special? Because this is basically my first ever luxury perfume that I purchased. So I used my first bottle pretty fast because that was the one that I used to wear whenever I used to go out. But then when I bought other ones, I kind of started using those and forgot about this one. But then I repurchased it last year and I've used quite a bit. It's tiny bit of left. So yeah, even this is basically fresh, fruity, floral. The exact notes, I'll just pop it right here. But yeah, I really like this one. It's not that strong. It lasts around for 2 to 3 hours. It's a perfume, it's not a mist, but it doesn't last that long on me. But on my sister it lasts pretty long. So it depends on your body as well. Now I don't think for me it's the best perfume out there, but I still like it. I'm not attracted to use it now that much. The next perfume which I use in my day purpose is by Versace Yellow Diamond. The funny thing is, when I bought this, I didn't really like this one. But at that point of time, I was using a body wash which was lemon and orange sort of fragrance. And on that, when I used to layer this up, it used to smell amazing. Then I stopped using this one for some reason, I don't know why. And last month I again gravitated towards it, and I don't know, at that point of time it didn't really suit my skin and my fragrance type. Now when I'm using it, I think it's the best one out there. It lasts around 6 to 7 hours. It's pretty good in terms of lasting power. It's not too loud, it's not there in your face. It's very light but fresh, if I'm making sense. And this doesn't smell floral, though I would still say that whenever you smell it, it reminds you of rain and that गीली मिट्टी की खुशबू. But it's not गीली मिट्टी, but it reminds you of that. And the flowers, the trees, at that point of time, I don't know, it just reminds me of that. Probably because whenever I use this perfume, I was mostly in Pune, so it just reminds me of Pune weather. It could be that, but yeah. Also, the main notes of these perfumes is lemon. Though I hate lemon perfume, but I don't know why I like this one. But this one just is so fresh. It's basically a day sort of a perfume. You will just smell it, you feel like it's a daytime and not a nighttime. The next perfume in my list, if I tell you about this perfume, it's expensive. It doesn't last that long, and it's basically not worth the price that we pay for it, I feel. Though the smell is amazing, but you can easily get the dupe of this one. Similar fragrance in any other brand. So I'm talking about Miss Dior Blooming Banquet. But why I keep purchasing this? Actually, I don't purchase it. So whenever I'm buying something from Dior, give you a freebie whenever you buy something from Dior. So whenever I'm purchasing anything, I opt for this Miss Dior sample. Ask me why, because it has a story behind it. So the first time I used this perfume is when I was having Christmas with my family, and I guess 2-3 times at that point of time only, where I used to go out, I used to use this one. And at that point of time, I was only going out with my family, like for family trip. Then December Christmas, then January again trip was there, then February May there were my family functions. So basically at that point of time, when I had a big Miss Dior one, I was using that at that point of time. So it always reminds me of that time, like the fun with family and my time with just them. So whenever I miss them, or I just want to feel that kind of a vibe, or whenever I'm going out with a family trip or something, I just want something to need some fragrance to remind me of them. I don't know, there are like songs which reminds you of your certain time. For me, it's like a perfume that reminds me of something particular. So yeah, this is that. So now I feel ki it's not that worth it to buy it, the full size one. It's pretty expensive, it doesn't last that long, like I said, and it's not that amazing. So yeah, I've just kept the best one for the end. And this perfume is my signature perfume whenever I'm going out at night, or whenever I'm going out for an evening function, is basically this one. So if you have met me In last 3 years, any time in the evening, or we have met in an event or any function, or always wearing this perfume. It's by Carolina Herrera. This again is my second bottle. Like about this is a whole list. Okay, it's pretty strong. It's pretty long lasting. It's a night perfume. It's not floral. It's not fresh. It is a night perfume. Need a very little amount of this. So for me, I just spray this like 3 pumps of it, and I'm like good to go for the whole night. Again, I would like to touch up if I'm sweating too much or if it's too hot. I do touch up it after like 3 to 4 hours, but only to keep smelling fresh. Even if you remove your clothes, next day if you keep your clothes hanging like this, your clothes would still be smelling of this one. It's pretty long lasting, and if I have to suggest you any one perfume that would is worth your money, last very long, would suit almost everyone, like everyone I've met have liked this one. I've not met a single person who doesn't like this perfume. So yeah, it's pretty acceptable to all genders. This is basically my night perfume, and the bottle also look nice, so it's a plus. So yeah, that was all my perfumes. I know it was not that much, but I have, like I said, I have very signature perfume fragrance. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you would like to see such more videos, please comment down below. I would love to know your thoughts about it. Bye.